Hey everybody, it's John Lennox with the Mathews Brotherhood, and today we're going to feature a clip sent to us by Mathews Brotherhood member Daniel George. Now Daniel's from Texas, and if you've ever spent any time down there, you know there's a lot to be jealous of. These guys are literally able to hunt 365 days a year for exotics, and they can also chase hogs 24/7, 365. And in this clip, Daniel's taking us along on a hog hunt.
Let's deal with the valley. The hills kept the same. But don't you know you got wild blood running through your veins? You're the leader of the wolf pack with the power of flame. Don't you know you got wild blood running through your wild blood running through your veins?
Daniel, thanks for sharing. That was a fantastic clip. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our page, like this video, like all of our videos, and of course, if you hit the bell, you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video right here to the Mathews Brotherhood channel. I'd also urge you to head on over to Facebook and check out the private Mathews Brotherhood Facebook page. It's a powerful tool that dedicated Mathews shooters can use to share tech tips, hunting tips, success stories, and of course buy, sell, and trade fantastic Mathews products. It's all at the Mathews Brotherhood, or you can go online to MathewsBrotherhood.com. It's a fantastic place to see a lot of our videos, and of course purchase licensed Mathews decals and stickers.